Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Helmi Nisa Subakti, NIM B300 2097. Overview of the Industrial Revolution 4.0 point. Industrial Revolution 4.0 point illustration. The Industrial Revolution 4.0 point is a phenomenon that collaborates cyber technology and automation technology. The concept of application is centered on the concept of automation carried out by technology without requiring human labor in the application process. The constantly adds to the value of efficiently in a work and environment where time management is considered as something vital and very much needed by industry players. In addition, good time management will exponentially impact the quality of labor and cost of production. A current example that can be taken from the use of technology in the industrial sector is the bookkeeping and production process, which are now easily accessible to anyone anytime. Apart from the role of technology in industry, the benefits can also affect the level of security. Nowadays, information retrieval and change can easily be done anytime and anywhere via the internet network. Nine keys of technology that will become the main pillar in the development of the Industrial Revolution 4.0 point. Technology of the Industrial Revolution 4.0 point hosting wish. In the 4.0 point Industrial Revolution, there will be 9 technologies that will become the main pillars for developing an ordinary industry, a digital ready industry, and among them are 1. Internet of Things IoT. So the Internet of Things is a concept where an object has the ability to transfer data over a network without requiring human interaction. One example of a product is Jarvis, which can turn off the lights when it's morning. 2. Big data. Big data is a term that describes a large volume of data, both structured and structured data. Big data has been used in many business, can help define interaction of business. For example, Jaguar Hosting will only email from renewal to customers who are due for payment. 3. Augmented reality. Augmented reality is a technology that combines two-dimensional and or three-dimensional virtual object in a three-dimensional real environment and then projects that virtual object in real time. 4. Cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is an effort to protect information from cyber attacks. Capabilities in information operation are all types of action that are intentionally performed to interface with the continuity, integrity, and availability of information. For example, Jaguar Hosting provides SSL certificate, BitNinja, and firewall filter in very hosting package to protect customer data from hacker attacks. 5. Artificial intelligence is a computer or machine technology that shows human-like intelligence and can be arranged according to human desires. The main function of all is ability to study received data on a ongoing basis. The more data that is received and analyzed, the better all can make prediction. 6. Additive manufacturing. Additive manufacturing is a new product in the manufacturing industry, which often know as using 3D printers. In today's digital era, digital design image to have been created become transformed in the real object with the same size and shape as the actual design or attacker scale. 7. Simulation. The model represents to system itself, whereas in the simulation the representation is operation over time. Simulation is used in many contexts, such as technology simulation, performance optimization, safety engineering, testing, training, education, and video games. 8. System integration. An integration system is adheres to the context several system physical and virtually. The system will combine subsystem components in the one system, which ensures that each function can function as a unit of a system. 9. Cloud computing. Cloud computing is a technology that makes the internet center for data management and application, where computer users are given access rights login to access virtual server to be able to configure server via the internet, like Jaguar Hosting, which provide a virtual server to that I can be used to create online website for us to access on the internet. Currently, Indonesia has started working of the industrial revolution for 0 point ascent from the manufacturers that have implemented an internet network system to facilitate access to internal information, employees supervision, and bookkeeping. These factories are often referred to as factory. To face the era on the industrial revolution for 0 point, which is still relatively new, special sportive preparation are needed, especially if you are industrial player, web developer, or blog owner. One of them is the selection or reliable web hosting for the needs of two standards. Behind the answer that will in this era communication there are web hosting services to contribute a lot, however is a line. You must be smart choosing and buying a web hosting service which is stable and truly reliable, especially if you position yourself as a blogger, web developer, or an only business owner. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.